Hey friends, it's Laura and welcome to my channel. I've got day 5 of the Gratitude Art Journal Challenge for you today. And day 5's prompt is nature. So I have a few photos set out here that document my love of nature. We've got several of these cute little ducks that wander by our house to this place where we like to go out to eat. And we always see them out there, so I have a few pictures of that. And then I also have this picture of me at the ocean. Ignore how much of my bum is showing there. And I am trying to figure out which photo best shows my love of nature or which one goes best in my journal. And for today, I am working on the back side of my day 2 prompt. And if you watch the video for day 2 family, then you'll know this cute pink floral patterned paper I had going on the back side of my photographs for day 2. Well, I'm going to use that as my base for day 5 for nature. And I love that floral, but I also love this floral stencil that I just picked up. And that background paper is quite busy, so I thought a good way to tone it down would be to use some texture paste over top of it. And it worked fantastic. I love this technique. It really does dull the background a lot, but it adds even more interest. So it's a great way to kind of tone down all the colors that your eye is seeing and add another dimension of interest and texture to your page. So here you can see what that looks like, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I decided to go with that picture of the ducks, so I put that over top of my new background with that patterned paper and then the texture paste on top of it. And now I am cutting out some different elements that I think I might want to use on my page. So this cute little leaf you see in my hand here, this is from the free printable for the challenge that Haley made, and she has that on her blog. You can download that for free, print it off. It's super cute. And then I'm also cutting out some floral stickers that you saw on the screen for a moment there. And I really love how this little leaf looks in the bottom right-hand corner of my photo. So I'm pretty pleased with that half of the page. It already has a lot going on with it with that patterned background page. So I'm going to keep it super simple. I put the texture paste on. I am using double-sided tape to lay down my photograph. And then I'm going to use a little bit of glue and lay down that simple black and white leaf in the corner of my photo. And that's going to be good for that half of the page. I do have that really cute other die cut from the free printable. It says nature on it. And I'm going to fussy cut that out, and I think about putting it on the left-hand side of my page, but I end up going with the right-hand side of my page for that one. I think a lot of times with art journaling, it's hard to know where to stop and when your page is actually complete. And I like to err on the side of more caution. So I like to have less on my page. I like to keep my journals pretty minimal, and it works really well for me. I think that's just my aesthetic when it comes to art journaling. So you could see me randomly sticking down those cute little flower stickers that I had cut out. Those are from some digital elements that I had purchased. And I think they are so suiting for this prompt today, the nature prompt. And then I have this little magazine cutout that says, "Oh, beautiful." And I am going to further cut it out to say just beautiful. And I'm going to layer that with the nature die cut there. And I think that's gorgeous. I love clipping words out of magazines. I feel like magazines have the best fonts. A lot of times you can find a word here or there on the page that is perfect for art journaling. So I actually go through my magazines, and I don't buy very many magazines, but I go through the ones that I have and I will cut out all of the words that I like or the photographs that I like and think I might use for art journaling. And I keep those all in one folder in my paper stash. So I always know where to go if I want some magazine clippings, and I don't keep magazines on hand. I buy them, I read them, and then I do any cutting out of it that I want to. But like I said, I don't buy a lot of magazines, so you can see here I just ended up using that one little clip out from the magazine, and then I have these cute little black and white phrases here that are from the free printable, and then I add this black and white one that says praise, and that's from Illustrated Faith. And then I'm just going to finish off my page with some journaling about nature and my thoughts on it, which is that God has given us such a beautiful place to live on earth, and if we just look around, we can find beauty everywhere in nature. And I love that with this little picture of that mama duck and her babies. So cute and so fitting. I hope you have enjoyed this fun prompt and my technique using texture paste to dull a background. Please make sure to use the hashtag gratitudeartjournal on Instagram if you're joining us for this free challenge. You can join in anytime. We love to see the art that you're making, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you want to learn more art journaling stuff from me, I will link my art journal class down below. Check that out and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will catch you guys for day 6. Bye!